Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you the easiest ways to transfer photos from your PS5 to your phone using both wireless and offline methods. The fastest and most convenient option is the PlayStation app. Make sure your PlayStation 5 is connected to the internet and signed in to the same PlayStation Network account as your phone. On your PS5, go to Settings, then Captures and Broadcasts, open Captures and enable auto upload. This automatically sends screenshots and short video clips to your PlayStation app. Once uploaded, open the PlayStation app on your phone, go to Game Library, then Captures, and you'll see your photos ready to download. Keep in mind that captures stay in the app for only 14 days, so save anything important to your phone storage before they disappear. If you prefer an offline method or need to transfer larger files, using a USB drive is a great alternative. Format the USB drive to exFAT or FAT32, copy your photos onto it, and plug it into your PS5. Open Media Gallery from the home screen, select the USB tab, and access your photos directly. This method works without internet and is ideal for backups. Both options are reliable, it just depends on whether you want speed and convenience or offline flexibility.